Blessings, Star Child. This is Smadar from Song of Stones, and I'm here today with you to introduce you to this beautiful stone being who has a crystal blessing for you. And if you haven't experienced a crystal blessing yet, it is really what it is simply a moment of connection with the stone beings, whoever happens to volunteer that day, to receive an energetic gift. And we've taken a break for a while. We took a break last month from the crystal blessings because there's been a lot going on, and a lot of people were away for the holidays, and it was just a busy time. And we're back. This crystal was with us last week, but I kind of rambled on and we ran out of time, and I wanted to bring this beautiful being back again so you could really experience an in-depth connection with it. This is a lightning struck crystal. And if you haven't heard of the lightning struck crystals, these are crystals that have, like their name says, have been struck by lightning. And usually there is a very telltale mark with those types of crystals, but not always, because sometimes these crystals, after having gone through such a powerful shift, let's call it, are master healers. They heal quite quickly. And so sometimes by the time you see the crystal, it's just had all kinds of healing and growth. And there's a couple of different ways to tell if a crystal's been healed. You can see the inside. You can see the veils and inner fractures, and rainbows are a telltale sign as well. And the presence of fairies. With lightning struck crystals, there's always the fairies. They're always present. And I'm going to introduce you to some other lightning struck crystals this week or in the coming weeks, and you'll get a better idea of how to spot them. But definitely you can tell by the energy. These crystals have a very powerful energy and a very unique type of energy. So I don't want to ramble on again this time and let you miss out on the blessing. So let's do that. Let's connect and see what's happening with this crystal. And I don't know if I mentioned it. I probably mentioned it last time, but it's got a beautiful dolphin shape. So definitely dolphin energy here in this one. So begin by rooting into the earth. You'll want to root in powerfully for these crystals. And connecting to your breath and just noticing your breath without trying to change anything. Just watching it as you take it in and as it moves through your body and circles back out. then all that's needed is for you to open up your heart and say yes to the gift that this crystal is sending out to you wherever in the world you happen to be. And then turn your attention inwards and see if you can notice a shift or any difference in how you're feeling now. And there are so many ways that we can feel the gifts of the crystals. We can feel it in our physical bodies. We might feel an emotional sensation. The gift might come to us through thoughts or images. There's no right or wrong way to receive a gift from a crystal. And if you're not feeling anything at all, that's also normal. Sometimes we just don't feel it, and it doesn't mean it's not yours or you didn't receive it. And you might feel something later on, or even days later or weeks later. There's really no hard and fast rules when it comes to energetic connections with the crystals, and they're beyond space and time. So you might have even started feeling this crystal before you saw this recording, before you listened to this crystal blessing. Because, like I said, the crystals are beyond time and space. It's really magical when that happens. So take that gift that you received with you today, and may it expand into all the parts of your life and all those who you connect with today. And we send you lots of love and many, many blessings.